So I'll be showing you how to enable and how to set up the automatic keyguard on your Nokia phone. So what you want to do is go into the menu. So just press menu and then scroll and look for settings. Select that. And then under settings, scroll and look for phone settings. Select that. And then again, scroll to Keyguard settings and select that. Now here you have two items in the Keyguard settings menu. You have the button to turn it on or off, and then you also have the Keyguard code. Now you can use automatic keyguard without the code, or you can use it with the code. So I'll show you both ways. So let's go ahead and activate the automatic keyguard first. So just select that. It's going to give you the option for on and off. Scroll to on and select OK. Once you do that, it's going to let you set a delay. So you have the default on the minimum delay, which is 10 seconds. You can increase that to 11 seconds, 12 seconds, 13 seconds, or you can even go to the left hand side and increase in terms of minutes. So 2 minutes, 3 minutes, like that. Now I'm just going to leave mine to 10 seconds. So I'll go ahead and select 0 on that side and 10. So 0 minutes and 10 seconds is the minimum you can get. So click OK, and that's going to say done, and that means the automatic keyguard has been activated. So now, as long as you're on the home page, after 10 seconds, your keyguard will activate and protect your keys from accidental touches. There you go. So it does show the time, but now as you can see, pressing does nothing. To unlock, press the this button and then select unlock. So you just need to press that and then select unlock, and that's going to unlock your keyguard, and now you can continue using your phone. Now let's go back to that page and I show you how to protect your keyguard with a security code. So let's go back to there, here we are. So now if you want, you can actually set a password for your keyguard setting. So you can go to Keyguard code, select that, enter your security code. This is your phone's security code. For most phones, the default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then select OK. And then now it's going to allow you to set a password for Keyguard. So if you turn it on like that, so now from the home page, once your phone locks the keyguard, or once it enables the keyguard to lock your keys, then you'll have to provide a password. Okay, so this is a security feature. So let's just wait for it to 10 seconds. There you go. So now you can see the keyguard is enabled and you cannot press the keys. But if you try to unlock, it's going to ask for your security code, and now you have to provide that security code to get in. Okay, so you can choose to use the keyguard with or without the security code. That's really up to you. That's basically how to enable automatic keyguard on your Nokia phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.